Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change meal on Emirates. Follow these detailed steps to change your meal preference on Emirates via the Emirates web app. The first thing you'd like to do is to launch your browser and go to the Emirates official website at emirates.com. Once again, to the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account or to log in using an existing account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you log in or you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of options to have an exciting time on Emirates. So right here from this homepage, the next thing you need to do is to go to the Manage tab, which is in the top menu bar, and click on it. So click on this Manage tab and you can see this drop down menu. From the drop down menu, click on Retrieve Your Booking. And that's going to walk into the Manage Booking page. Now, on this Manage Booking page, enter your last name and your booking reference characterized by 6-character code. And click on Retrieve Booking. And that's going to take you to your booking details page. Now, after accessing your booking, the specific booking, find the special request section. Once you find the special request section, click on Special Request or Request Assistance. Now, in the Special Request section, locate the option for Meal Preferences. Click on Meal Preference or Change Meal. You'll be presented with a list of meal options based on the class of service and available meal choices. Example, vegetarian, halal, gluten-free, etc. Now, select your preferred meal from the options provided. Review your selected meal preference and confirm your choice. And click on Save to confirm the change. Now, you'll receive a confirmation message on the page stating that your meal preference has been updated successfully. You may also receive a confirmation email with the updated meal preference details. And that's it. You've successfully changed your meal preference on Emirates via the Emirates web app. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.